Hi, welcome to another Scratch tutorial, okay? This one will be called the magic trick, okay? The magic trick. So for that matter, we're going to choose a background, okay? Let's choose this one. Looks related to fantasy, okay? Let's choose a sprite. So we want something related to fantasy. What about this wizard? Yeah. Okay, let's see the costumes. This one is okay. Alright, yeah. Okay, let's eliminate this one. Okay, skip this one and let's move him over here. Okay, so the idea is that he's going to make something levitate. Okay, he's going to make something levitate. So for that matter, we are going to go to events. We're gonna go here because we want to start from the moment we click on the flag icon. Yeah, then let's go to looks because he's going to stretch his arm and he's gonna say something. All right, and now he's gonna say something for 2 seconds. So this something will be Wingardium Leviosa. Okay, then we want him to put his arm down, yeah, and here's the idea that we're going to send a message. So let's go to control, yeah, and sorry, event, yeah, and broadcast a message. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so we're gonna go to broadcast a message, yeah, and that's the message that the other object is going to receive. Alright, so let's put an object that can levitate. Let's go to fantasy and yeah, why not? What about his wand? His magic wand. Alright, so here's the idea, yeah. As soon as this object gets the message, yeah, it's going to go up and then it's gonna go down. So it's on the floor, yeah. So we're gonna put here when I receive message 1. Okay, so when it receives the message, yeah, it's gonna do something. So because it's going to move up and down, we're gonna go to motion and we're gonna choose glide, yeah, because we want it to glide. So that's the normal position on the floor. So as you can see, the numbers are 93 and minus 137. So that's the element that we're going to choose first, and now we're going to move it up, and as you can see, the numbers change. Yeah, so now the numbers are different, and those are the numbers that we need to make it go up. So this is the first block because we want it to go up, and this is the second block because we want it to go down. Okay, let's put it down and let's see what happens. So let's click, and the guy is supposed to say Wingardium Leviosa, and the object is gonna rise and then it's gonna fall on the floor again. So let's see. Wingardium Leviosa, it goes up and it goes down. There you go, you see? Alright, cool, that's fine. Okay, so that was the tutorial. Great, huh? So let's see what you can do. Let's see your magic tricks. Alright, so see you later, Scratchers.